This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we're gonna make egg salad. Very cheap to make. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Place eggs in a saucepan, cover with cold water. Bring water to a boil for 13 minutes. Remove the eggs from the stove. Let them cool in the cold water. Once they are cool, I'm gonna reduce water like this, guys. Then take them a little bit like this. Then it's easy to peel, just like so. Then I'm gonna transfer to the bowl. You see how easy it is, guys? I just shake them like this, then just spread and peel them. Very easy. Next, we're gonna slice the eggs using the egg slicer. Just like so, guys. I have placed my chopped eggs in the bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, black pepper, about quarter cup celery. Then I'm gonna mix all this together. Next, I'm gonna add prepared mustard, about half a cup mayo. Then I'm gonna mix all this together. My bread here, my roll. Guys, you must try this recipe, it's the best. There you have it, guys, and here's the recipe that will fit everybody within a small budget. Right now, in the uncertain time, we have to conserve our food. So guys, please stay safe, stay inside, stay away from everybody. Share this recipe with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.